Samsung is one of the definite leaders of the pack when it comes to building superb, well-designed, and feature-rich HD TVs. Samsung's HD TVs offer a rich list of standard connectivity, color, contrast, upscale smart TV features. On our Midwest Weekender, we have two Samsung TVs. We're going to take you through the features and functions of our two Samsung HD TVs. Let's go inside and take a look. We'll start with our rear TV first. You can find that you have two remotes. Now they're interchangeable. It doesn't matter which one you use for which TV. Now besides using the remote to turn on the TV, there is also a toggle switch that's on the back lower rear corner of the TV that you can press in that will actually turn it on and off as well. One of the important features that we're going to go over today is how to use our Roadstar WineGuard omnidirectional antenna. Now it's a very sleek design that this has, and it has a 360-degree signal. So no more hand cranks. We don't have to crank it up and position it so that we can get a great signal. Instead, it's ready to view at any time. So the first thing that we'll do is make sure we're on the TV setting. We'll hit our menu button on our TV controller. We'll scroll down until we get to the picture of the antenna. We'll use our right arrow key to go over. We'll go to Auto Program, and in this case, we're going to go to Air. We'll hit the OK button, and we'll start the progress. Right now, it's going through the progression and looking for local stations. And the important thing to remember here is that you'll actually have to search separately on each TV. This won't pick up channels for your other TV. And then we'll have some channels here with a clear, crisp picture. Now, if the TV's not quite in the position that you like, maybe you're getting a little bit of a glare, you can pull on the tab in the back, pull down on the tab in the back, and bring it out. And you can position it to your desired location. And when we're ready to hit the road again, we can put it right back in and lock it in position. To make a more comfortable viewing area for our TV, we have to turn our two captain's chairs around. You'll do that by grabbing a hold of the black lever in front of your chair and sliding it all the way forward. You'll then see that there's a knob that's at the back of the chair. You'll push that and turn the chair all the way around. When turning it all the way around, it will lock it into position. And then pulling that same lever we did before, we can bring it back so we're not too close to the TV. Now let's not forget our driver's side captain's chair. We'll again pull the lever in the front, slide it all the way forward. We'll grab the knob at the back, we'll push that knob, and spin it around until it locks in location. Now we have comfortable viewing for two. Now that we have our two captain's chairs in a comfortable position to view our TV, we can then turn it on by using our TV remote. Now again, remember, you do have a toggle switch on the back rear right corner of the TV to also turn on the power. We'll have to take the same steps if we want to use our Roadstar WineGuard omnidirectional antenna for finding any channels. Another feature that Midwest offers is an in-motion satellite. You can put that on your unit, and then you can get any of your favorite channels, whether that be the Golf Channel, NFL Network, whatever it may be. You usually have to use a satellite provider like DirecTV or Dish Network. You can sit back and enjoy your favorite show. Let's not forget, we have to turn our power boost on for the antenna. This is crucial in picking up any of your local channels.